Hi, my name is Shawn Rose. My company is Deiseil Design and Planning here in Okotoks. We're celebrating our 30th year in business this year, and we specialize in architectural design and drafting for residential buildings, commercial and institutional. Let me see, highlights of the last 30 years. It's tough to do. I would say in the 90s, highlights for me was the opportunity to actually teach the entire City of Calgary engineering department how to use the CAD system that we use, which has led to a consulting arrangement with the City of Calgary that still exists today. I had the opportunity to work with some architects on international projects all the way from Marseille, France to Malaysia. 2000s, actually, because of the work that I was doing with the City of Calgary, I designed and wrote a utility asset mapping program that the city still uses today. In the 2010s, that's when we began to get really heavily into the 3D modeling for architecture. And that's been a lot of fun for us, is the 3D modeling and rendering. And in the last few years, the highlight really for me has been the ability to help so many local businesses, especially on Elma Street here, go through their permitting process to get their businesses working in the buildings that are here. The 7 big lessons that I've learned over 30 years. Number 1, really identify what your values are, what's important to you, because you need to remember that. It affects every decision that you make, whether it's the work you take on, whether it's the people you hire, the people you work with, the clients that you take on. If you can do great things when you're working with the people who are in alignment with you. Don't try to be everything to everyone. That comes back to the first point. There are going to be people that are they're meant to be the people that work with you, and there are people that need to work with somebody else, and you need to know the difference between that. Stay on top of and understand your financials, because it doesn't matter how good you are at what you do. If you are not on top of your financials, it is not going to work. As entrepreneurs, the reason we got into business is because most of the time we don't like being told what to do. However, you need to have a structure. You got to create a structure for your business and work within that, because that's what differentiates a hobby from a business. Don't try to do it all by yourself. That comes back to the last one, where you don't want to be told what to do, but if you try to do everything by yourself, the best you'll be able to do is what you personally are capable of. If you can create a great team of people, then it's the best of what you can all do together. Guaranteed, you're going to have a problem that you're going to run into that someone else has already figured out. It's a lot easier and cheaper to learn from their mistakes than to make your own and learn from those. And keep learning constantly. Stay young. That's the best advice I can give. Why Okotoks? Well, I was born in Calgary, but I grew up in a small town, Stavely, south of here. And I went to school. When I went back to school, I was in Calgary again at SAIT. And my in-laws, after I met my wife, my in-laws actually lived between Okotoks and Black Diamond. And when we had children, we knew we wanted to be in a small town. We both grew up in a small town. That's the atmosphere that we wanted. And so Okotoks was the first place we looked. As it turned out, we ended up buying a home in Turner Valley, and we lived there for 30 years. First opportunity I had, I moved my office out of the city, and we came here because this was the best option for my business. And as it turns out, my boys have been living here since 2006 when we bought the property, and my business has been here since then. And over the last 5 years, my wife and I have been living here as well. So it's just a great place. Technically it's a city, but it doesn't feel like one, and I like it the way it is. I know it's going to grow, and that's perfect, that's great, but I believe it will always have that small town atmosphere to it. Good morning, Mayor Thorne. Thank you for coming to visit us here.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. It's awesome.
I'm Shawn Rose. This is Deiseil Design and Planning, and we do architectural design. And I'm pleased to have you run through a little virtual reality demonstration that we've put together for you.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it.
So I don't need to move, is what you're telling me.
That's
Even
right.
though I have this feeling I want to walk into this door.
You absolutely do not want to do that.
Okay, let's go back here. Nobody wants me to navigate.
It's cool. Well, I did get into a cabinet. So, stunning kitchen, I like. I love the addition of the cat.
On the counter where it should be.
Yeah. But I really feel like I should walk.
Thank you so much for having me come in. I wish this was around when I built my house. It really gives you a real great sense of space, so I could see how clients would really appreciate this, especially when you're doing custom built work. And if they're people like me that, you know, you put some measurements on a map and it's a little block, I'm like, how big is that? I don't know how big that is. So other than the fact that I ended up in a cupboard, you know, it works really great in terms of really getting that sense of flow of a home and the space in a home. So I was super impressed. So thank you for sharing that with me.
You're very welcome.
Shawn, I'd love to congratulate you on 30 years in our community operating this business. And I think what is a testament to our business community is that you've been a home-based business for 30 years and you have thrived in our community doing what you love. And I think that is such a key part of our community. It's not so much about, it's not about the brick or mortar businesses all the time. There's lots of great work and great innovation that's happening in homes in our community, and this is a great example of it. So thank you so much for your commitment to our community.
Thank you. Yeah, so one of the things I am most proud of is the opportunity that I had to contribute my expertise to the Affordable Housing Task Force in 2018 to 2020. And I'm eager to see the results, the long-term results from that effort. I continue to work on that myself through my own business efforts. So hopefully we can make an impact there. I'm happy that we were able to share our business with you today, and I look forward to meeting anyone that's curious about what we do, and you can find us online and actually in the paper. So look us up.